Today we are going to measure the refractive index of an oil compound. First of all, what we have to do is we have to use this. We are going to use the Atago Refractometer. The brand name is Atago. And first of all, what we have to do is we have to open this chamber. And you can see that there is a little chamber over there. Into the chamber we have to put the oil, a little bit of oil, maybe about 1 cubic centimeter. Then have to close this off, and we can press the start button over here. And it gets the reading of refractive index 1.46620. Another detail you can see on the screen is the temperature. According to the quality standards, so different oil substances has to be measured its refractive index on their different temperatures. So according to this, it is 40 degrees Celsius. The instrument has to be switched on and adjust the temperature by its settings, and we have to leave it until it comes to the fixed temperature. At this moment we checked a kind of sesame oil, and according to the standards we have to maintain its 40 degrees Celsius. So we have to fix the temperature, and after all then have to place it over there.